All right, welcome to another interesting video guide from Sonia. Let me adjust my camera well. So today I'm basically going to be teaching you how to integrate AI with the Adbot IQ software. It's going to be a very short and precise video. I'm not going to waste time. We are going straight to the point. So why would you want to use AI? AI is actually an intelligence kind of setup we are trying to imbibe in the software, whereby the software is able to think critically. Do you understand? And the reason why we integrate AI is for some complex features like engagement on ads. Okay, I can't really talk much about that. um, Building personality and interest in your profiles. You'll see that when you enable what we call AI video engine, you'll be able to understand what I mean by that. When you start engaging with YouTube, or you're engaging with a website where you have AdSense, or you have any ads network whatsoever, and you want to engage with it in an intelligent manner, you would need the AI setup. That was why we integrated it, because we don't want to do anything based on guesswork. We want to make sure everything you're getting from Adbot IQ is excellent. So, in order to access the AI setup, first you need to purchase an API key. And I'm going to show you how to get the API key. So, for the API key, you come here and click on AI provider. You see that we have others that are coming soon: Claude, Gemini, and OpenAI. All these are expensive. One of the cheapest we were able to come across was DeepSeek, and that's why we're going to be using DeepSeek API. So for the DeepSeek API, we are using DeepSeek Chat, but later I'm going to enable the other cheaper models, because um, they don't really think at the same rate, but you will still get excellent result. But DeepSeek Chat was able to give us excellent results. But as time goes by, we'll enable more on that. Like, you'll be able to choose the V4 Pro and the Flash. So now you need to get your API key directly from DeepSeek. Now it's very simple. All you need to do is to head over to DeepSeek .com/API key. I'm going to blur some details though, because you'll be able to see. So I'm going to blur some details. So this is my DeepSeek account, and all I need to do is to, if you are just signing up, I'm going to leave the link to this in the comment section. If you are just signing up, you just go to platform.deepseek.com and you'll be able to see that. So I'll leave the link in the description, right? So now, in order to generate, I'm just going to click on what we call create new API key. Now, this API key, I can actually give it a name. So the name can be Adbot IQ API key. So Adbot IQ API key, then I'll click on create, and immediately I'll be able to access my API key. So all I need to do is to click on copy, then I close the tab, then head straight to the software, then I'm going to paste my API key in there. So when I paste the API key, I'm going to click on test connection to make sure it is working, and you can see that it is connected. So I can click on save. Then you can see that it's already connected. So I've connected my API key successfully. You can see it's connected. So that is the first stage. Very simple and straightforward. Once you connect the API key, the bot will be able to use the AI to think. So where are the kind of features where you want to enable the AI? For example, if I want to click on create task, then I click on website automation, then that, then I'm going to click delete all this. There's something called AI behavior. Now you can see we have the explore website, then we have the AI explore website. What is the difference within the two? The explore website, the bot just uses the normal grabbing of link and clicking of external pages and all that. It is still accurate, but when you start dealing with complex websites where the elements are not something you can easily identify, you would need to use AI for that. That's why we enable the AI Explore, because the AI Explore is different from the normal Explore website. The normal Explore website, you see it to just click, accept, auto accept some cookies and all that. But the AI Explore has more feature. You can see it said AI credit usage. This action uses AI. So it is going to think more intelligently. It will be able to engage with any website whatsoever if you are using the AI Explore. Do you get? Okay. So then we have the AI video engine. And when it comes to things like um engaging with the ads, where we have the watch ads feature, advertisement behavior and all that, we used the AI to stimulate the activities that deals with watching of ads, or skipping ads, or thereabout. So I'm going to be focusing more on the YouTube section. We're going to drive views to a random YouTube channel we don't know about. The bot is going to look for a random channel and watch it. I've discussed this before, but I'm just covering it again. So we'll click on search and discover, explore based on personality, which means this bot has a personality and is going to use it to search for a random video to watch. So we are choosing YouTube, and the topic, I'm going to pick crypto and blockchain, right? Then the viewer behavior style, we have engaged, we have returning viewer, we have custom viewer, but casual viewer is someone that just watch for a short time then leaves, right? Then we're going to come here for this advertisement behavior because we want to enable it to try and engage. This is in beta mode. It might and it might not, okay? But let's say we're going to use 2 minimum pages to visit if by chance it was able to engage with it though. Then 3. Then this will reduce this to like 30, so 20 to 30 seconds. So maximum 2 to 3 pages in the ads, spend minimum. Then we have the engage at 100%, but it's in beta mode and it uses AI. So what we're going to do is click on save. Then we'll just call it random search, CH, random search. Then I click on create automation. So that's how simple it is. Now I'm going to run the task. The AI is going to be activated because we selected what is going to need it. I'm going to show you right here. You can see natural, blah, 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 cookies, all these ones, they work with AI. So I'm going to run the campaign now. Click on launch. Then let's choose this. So what is this campaign about? I'm telling the bot to by itself, um, head over to, search on YouTube and watch a random video. I'm not telling it what to watch. I didn't put any URL. And those are the places where the AI actually makes so much sense. So I'm going to be using only one thread. Then I think that's all about it. So let me click on launch. Then it's going to launch. Let me draw it here so you'll be able to see it. So look at it conducting the search. You see, I said it should search for something related to crypto. So that's why I said Ethereum explain and how it actually works. So it's going to search for a video and it's going to watch the video. So once you see the video, going to analyze, make sure it is the right video, do the right mass, then click on it to watch that specific video. I didn't give it this search term. It automatically found the search term by itself. It is caused it is it,
Most traders grow their prop firm accounts in just a few days. If you keep failing one step slash two step or any other challenge, this is why and how you can flip the script. I was that trader too.
so let me see if I can mute
The biggest mistake
this.
and the system you need to finally pass and get that growth from the trader is due to one thing, and that's the daily
Okay,
discipline. I've been there. I used to think
let
I
me
was
see if I
following the
can
best
pause this.
strategy, but the truth is, it's about understanding the rules and managing your risk. Here are the top.
So I had to stop that because there was no ads on that specific video. So it wasn't able to engage with it because there's no ads there, right? But the main point is not about engaging with ads, it's just showing you how to use the AI features, how it thinks, how it knows what to engage with and what not to engage with. You can see that it's watched a random video by itself. This is how you build cookies. So if you really want to learn more about using this automation software, what's up our platform, the link is going to be in the description. You can get it from our official website, sign up, then you'll be able to gain access to it and use it. So that'll be all for now.